So good afternoon dear students. So how are you? Today we are going to learn English grammar, that is types of sentences. First we are going to know what are sentences. What are sentences? Sentence. So what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Sentence is a group of words. Group of words which make complete sense. Now how will the group of words will make complete sense? Take an example. Now can you relate? The is dog dangerous very. Can you make a sense out of these words? No. You cannot make a sense out of these words because these words are not arranged in a proper manner. Right? We'll arrange this sentence. The dog is very dangerous. The dog is very dangerous. Now the dog is very dangerous. It makes a sense. Means the dog बहुत खतरनाक है. This makes complete sense. These are called sentence. So sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Now there are different types of sentences. Like there are 4 types of sentences. We learn every 4 sentences. Okay. Pay attention. Now first type of sentences. There are 4 types of sentence. First, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. So what are assertive sentence? Assertive sentence are the sentence which tell you about something, which gives a statement. Means it is a sentence which tells you about something, that this is this, that is that. Like the earth is round. The earth is round. It is telling you, it is giving a statement. So assertive sentence is a statement, the earth is round. Second, Rahul is very naughty. Rahul is very naughty. So in this type of sentence, it is saying that Rahul is very naughty, nothing else. So these are statements. Assertive sentence are statements. Now second type of sentence, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. What are imperative sentence? In assertive sentence, it is making a statement. In imperative sentence, the imperative sentence gives the order or request. Gives order or request. Like take an example. Please give me your book. Please give me your book. This is what? This is a request. This is a request. So it is an imperative sentence. Now we will take a sentence of order. Order. Go and sleep. जाके सो जाओ. Go and sleep. This is the order. Your mother gives you an order. Your father gives you an order. Right? Go and sleep. Give your bag. Go and play outside. Right? Please give me your book. Go and sleep. Give your bag. Go and play outside. So these are order or request. So order and request gives you imperative sentence. So two types of sentence we have learned now, right? Now third type of sentence, that is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So what do you mean by interrogative? Have you heard that word interrogation? Yes. So interrogation means when police comes and asks you something, that is interrogation, means asking something, that is questions. People ask you questions, that is question mark. So interrogative sentence means to question someone and to ask someone, right? So we'll take an example first here. Where are your books? Right? The teacher or your parents ask you, where are your books? Your friends ask you, where are your books? So these are questions, and it is very compulsory to put a question mark after the sentence, after an interrogative sentence. It is compulsory. If you won't put a question mark here, your marks will be cut, right? So this is necessary. These are the rules for interrogative sentence. After writing the sentence, you have to put question mark. Second, do you want to play? Again question mark, right? Third, what do you come here? What do you come here? Fourth, why are you so happy? Where are your books? Do you want to play? What do you come here? Why are you so happy? So these are all questions. And pay attention that after every sentence I have placed a question mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have placed a question mark here. So in any sentence where there is a question mark, if you see a question mark, please remember that it is a type of interrogative sentence. This is a type of interrogative sentence, right? So this was the third type of sentence. There are 4 types of sentence. Last sentence will do. Fourth type of sentence. So the fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. So what is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence tells you the sudden feelings of anything, right? Oh! Exclamation mark. Why? Oh, what is this? So this is also an exclamation mark. Hurrah! P1. So whenever you see an exclamation mark, just remember it is an exclamatory type of sentences. So now we have learned all the 4 types of sentences. In the next period, I am going to ask what are the types of sentences and you have to tell some examples of this sentence. Okay? So your homework is to write all the 2 examples of these sentences. Thank you.